A 69-year-old woman is currently admitted to the hospital for community-acquired pneumonia. After starting treatment with ceftriaxone, her symptoms improved and she is now afebrile with resolution of leukocytosis. However, she develops non-bloody diarrhea and abdominal pain starting on day 4 of her admission. Vital signs reveal a temperature of 38.5, 101 degree 0.3 Fahrenheit. On physical exam, she has mild generalized abdominal tenderness without guarding or rebound tenderness. Laboratory studies show the re-evaluation of leukocyte counts. Ceftriaxone is subsequently discontinued. Which of the following is most appropriate initial screening to confirm the diagnosis? 69-year-old woman currently admitted to the hospital for community-acquired pneumonia. Okay, so this was the Clostridium difficile question. So whenever you have a patient, usually an elderly patient with diarrhea, who has been admitted to the hospital and diarrhea has developed after hospital admission, and when the patient is on heavy antibiotics, then it is Clostridium difficile, and Clostridium difficile is usually identified with the toxin we use. It can also be NAT. NAT is actually it could be NAT. NAT would not be the, you could use NAT. NAT will not be the wrong answer, but we usually use enzyme immunoassay, which is for the toxin, because the toxin will 100% be there, whereas the bacteria, which will also be there, but isolating the bacteria and then performing a NAT would be sort of a cumbersome business. So we usually go for the amount of toxin produced is so much larger than the intrinsic presence of bacteria that it is easier to identify the toxin, rather than you need to do multiple amplifications to find out the nucleic acid. We usually do NAT for chlamydia. Just saying that because chlamydia is an it's a intracellular organism. Yeah, the answer is NAT. Then you would not have something else like this enzyme immunoassay would not be there. I have not seen the question, but if you want me to see the question, please if you know the question ID, then that would be helpful. Both options were there. Yeah, then I would like to see I need to see the question. I haven't seen. This is the only set of questions that I have been allotted. So if you can send the question ID, this is 50150. I'd like to see that particular question. But usually the answer is an enzyme immunoassay. Of whatever I have seen, the answer is this only. That could also be the answer, but we don't do that. I would like to see the questions, though. There might be some particular hinge to the question.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.